Hello, I'm Omar Ting, Client Liaison for Law Office of Christine Nguyen, a professional corporation. Today, we're going to be talking about marriage. Why should I file for bankruptcy before getting married? A lot of people can survive indefinitely while putting bankruptcy on hold. Filing for BK, bankruptcy, is not a life-threatening matter in the traditional sense. In other words, it's not an emergency. This is why we often see people putting it off for years. If this is you, don't worry, it's more common than you might think. In fact, we expect these sorts of situations. So why do people eventually file for bankruptcy? Often, it takes a serious situation, like potential marriage, to make one consider, is now the right time to file for BK? Impending marriage frequently motivates people to ask this question. On one hand, there is financial incentive for a couple to get hitched. Marriage provides couples with legal benefits. Some of these benefits include financial advantages such as potentially lowers combined tax bracket and tax-exempt transfers from spouse to spouse, otherwise known as estate planning. However, these advantages can quickly turn to disadvantages if one or both parties is encumbered by numerous debts and liabilities. Because of these complex legal issues, many people come to us asking, should I file bankruptcy before getting married? Reasonable. So often than we thought it deserved a blog or a video post. Here are the top 5 reasons to file bankruptcy before getting married. Number 1, improves your chances of qualifying for bankruptcy. Keep in mind that getting married may reduce your chances of qualifying for BK. Filing bankruptcy requires calculation of the household income. After you get married, total household income includes your spouse's in addition to yours. You may no longer qualify. Conversely, if you make too much income, adding a person that has no income can help qualify you. Number 2, simplifies your finances. Once couples begin sharing expenses, usually one party will pay off an entire bill while it's technically split in half. While this works in theory, on paper, your partner's contributions could potentially look like your income. Typical examples include rent, utilities, phone bills. It is better to start early before your finances are combined to organize your income and your expenses to file bankruptcy based on that information. Number 3, protects your future spouse. Prevent creditors from garnishing your spouse's wages, levy his or her bank accounts, and assets. Once you are married in the state of California, your future assets and income are community property by default. Your creditors can seek to recoup their claims against your share of community property. For example, your wife's bi-weekly paychecks are community property. Your creditor can then garnish your share of her paychecks for debts you had prior to marriage. Number 4, allows you to start marriage with a clean slate or fresh start. Starting on a clean slate both financially and metaphorically can be a super refreshing state of mind. Being dragged down by baggage, whether this is financial baggage or emotional baggage from previous relationships, can be draining. The same way we need to shed our loose emotional baggage in order to succeed with a new relationship, we also need to shed our financial baggage. For many, this will also mean considering a BK or filing for bankruptcy. Number 5, give him or her peace of mind. So we hope you've spilled the beans about your financial situation. This can understandably cause concern for your future spouse. Concerned people are anxious people. He or she may not say anything, but a normal human will feel anxiety about the potential impact on their life. What if my credit score gets decimated? Will they garnish my wages too? Will they take my house or car? These are reasonable concerns. Filing for bankruptcy can lift these doubts for you both. We hope this article provides some food for thought if you are thinking about marriage. While no two cases are alike, it can be dangerous to make your decision solely off of an article that you read online. Each case is unique, and these blogs or videos do not attempt to replace solid legal advice. As such, we recommend getting in touch with an actual practicing bankruptcy attorney like Chris Nguyen if you have additional questions. Here at our bankruptcy law firm, the law offices of Christine Nguyen, a professional corporation, we offer all new clients a free 1-hour consultation at no cost and no obligation to you. If you're interested to claim your free consultation, we'll leave information down in the description You can chat with us. We have a chat box on the website, or you can fill out a form. We're very tech savvy. We can email you or text you. We know a lot of you have jobs. A lot of you may have gotten laid off because of COVID. So we're here for you. We're here to answer any questions and look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Have a great day.